Flashforge app, so you can go to flashforge.com. Perfect made for 3D printing. And FlashMaker is an iOS app which you're looking for. So this is basically FlashMaker is iOS app for Flashforge. You can just have this pretty cool thing for printers, for 3D printer, for printer management, money, monitor anytime, anywhere, streamline 3D printing workflow, smart control, boosting efficiency. And yeah, here you just have it. And then yeah, you can just go and get it on the App Store. So for example, here is the app itself. It's called FlashMaker. Here is the app, and you can just open it up and then just create and register your account in here.